Good morning, people. This beautiful morning we are going to visit Sticky Waterfall here in Chiang Mai. Yesterday we visited the meetup. It's called Mundo Lingua. It's language exchange meetup, and we meet some friendly people who suggest to go to Sticky Waterfall on the rent car today, and we are going.
And also there's supposed to be some lake nearby, so probably after the waterfall we are going to this lake. That we can climb up. To do that we have to take the ropes, so I'm not sure if we're gonna film this.
Yeah, we definitely can film it.
We are going up. It's called the Sticky Waterfalls. It's not very slippery, but it's not sticky
but
at
there
all.
is a sign about slippery roads.
You have to take the ropes like these people do and climb up. And you can't take anything in your hands. I want to do it again. I think we are going to be like going there all the way back. Dima is just over there. We climbed all the way up. The waterfall goes right here. It's so fun.
Pretty cool up there.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like this place. It seems like it's hard to go up, but the stone is pretty sticky, so your foot just stick on that. But on the top of that, you can find the place where the pretty slippery, so you need to be careful there. In the middle of this rock, very slippery road, so it's better to climb from the right and left side of it. You feel like you rock climber or something. You're a really cool guy, but it's just really sticky. So right here, at the end of the road, you can see it's a pretty slippery place. So this guy is struggling like we did 15 minutes ago. So we climb up on the Sticky Waterfall the way back. It was really challenging.
It was so much fun, but at the last floor it was so slippery and so hard to get up. We didn't expect it because the lower floors are much easier.
And you put your foot and you don't know if it's slippery while you put your weight on it. It's cool, there's a rope here, so it helps a lot.
But when it's too many people and everyone is holding the rope, you push it to each other, so I fall a couple of times because of other people. But it's still so much fun and we didn't hurt ourselves too much. There is a small trekking path we can take, so we are going there and we'll see what we can see there.
There is new warning: beware of falling branches. So quiet here. We used to waterfall sound and just go to quiet wood. There is some chain on the wood. Look like in the ancient times. pretty strange tree. It's bench around this tree. Here is a few like small temples.
Look at the water, look at the color of the water.
Oh my
It's
god.
so blue.
I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but it's super blue. And it's some hole inside.
Yeah.
There is a path. Pretty short. There is a pretty dangerous branches. They're huge. Look at this one. Yeah. So where are we going now?
Meet our friends and ask them.
So they told us about some lake.
Yeah, there could be some lake nearby, so maybe we'll go there. And maybe we can swim there. Not sure. Trip to come here, and it was really fast and really cool.
Yeah, you can see how it's going. Super fast. So
now we are going to have lunch on the boat, just on the floating restaurant.
yeah, right here.
So nice.
So we spent some time here. I don't know how it's called. I put it below. We had some pretty good dinner. It's lunch, not dinner. You can see we sitting like
Just
a
on the
small
water.
house on the water, right in the middle of the lake.
But there is a rule. If you come here, you have to order for 200 baht a person. You can choose whatever you want, and we got some fruits because our meal was not too expensive.
So we have a little bit kayaking here. It's surprise, but it's included in price to go to this island.
If you buy food from the restaurant, then you can do kayaking for free, and there is also a trampoline you can have fun with. And the water is pretty warm, so if you want to just stay here and relax,
you can just put your legs inside the water.
when you come here, the boat driver asks you when you want to get back, so just tell him more time.
Yeah, because there is plenty of things you can do here.
We have to go back in half an hour, but we'd love to stay more.
For the first time we're kayaking, and it's pretty fun stuff to do, especially on the lake like this, because it's pretty calm, it's chilly. You can even lie down on a kayak and relax. It's really cool.
And the weather is perfect today because it's not windy, and there is water is so calm. And our friend, he brought a paddle board right from US, and he floated it here, and now he's having fun somewhere over there.
The views of here, it's amazing. We around it of these green hills right in the middle of the lake. So cool.
And this small restaurant is where we left our stuff, and we had some nice lunch there. Also, you can stay in that place. Not so expensive. I think it's 1,200 baht. And you pay just 100 baht to enter this national park.
And it includes the boat to bring you here.
Yeah.